My name is Ricardo, and I'm mad about pizza. I'm from Vicenza, Italy. My parents made the pizza, and my parents' parents made the pizza as well. So I know my pizza. In this masterclass, I'm going to show you some of my family's traditional and classical Italian pizza. So let's get on with it. So now I will show you how to prepare the tomato sauce. So to prepare the tomato sauce, we need peeled tomato, olive oil, salt, and basil, basically. So when I put my peeled tomato into the bowl, I'm just gonna add salt, olive oil, and basil. So now I'm gonna blend it, my tomato sauce, in this way. Okay, when the tomato sauce is blending, it's ready to use in your Neapolitan pizza. Sometimes some people, they preheat the tomato, but you don't really need to do that. You just, if you buy peeled tomato, olive oil, a little bit salt, and basil, it's gonna be fine. Your tomato sauce is gonna be great in that way.